Nongelam kaseng BJP uba hek paderu menteri ke sorkar jela ulong ba kidan laingut kinongelam ke BJP ki pelapau Kyrteng ban pan tiket hagaban Iakhun ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong parliamentary constituency. Katkum ke jinget hu jong u nalor ke Kyrteng ke jong u hi kidang don saar ngut ki weipat ya keba 4 tip ka Kyrteng jong ki. Uong ru baka parti kan sapet bat bishar ba mano na pedeng kita ki laingut ki Kyrteng udai uba biang tam ban Iakhun ke election Lok Sabha na Shillong.
Very good question you asked about the Meghalaya BJP. This morning only I spoke to the new elected president. He is on the way to Delhi with the list for setting the list for the approval. Then after the approval of the national leader, they are going to publish in the name of the new state executive member of BJP. I cannot say you anything right now, because the respected president, he just left today only to Delhi. So I just depend on him when he is meeting the national leader. It's like this. I don't know the other name, including my name, there are 3 candidates. I don't know who are the 2 names. So we'll see among the 3 names who will be the best choice for contesting for Lok Sabha seat from Shillong parliamentary constituency. So among the 3, whomever chosen, we have to work hard to ensure winning of this coming Lok Sabha election.